Top 5 Best Network Cable Tester. Number 5. NOYAFA NF8508 Network Cable Tester. The NOYAFA NF8508 is one of those rare tools that actually earns its bulky name. Designed for network engineers and IT pros who'd rather solve problems than guess where they are, this device combines 9 critical functions into a single, rugged tester. It scans cables, tests continuity, flashes ports to help you spot the right switch, and even measures PoE voltage up to 60 volt DC without frying your equipment. Its optical power meter and visual fault locator are a fiber-tech's dream, handling wavelengths from 850 nanometer to 11625 nanometer with pinpoint accuracy. Spot broken or poorly connected fibers before your users start screaming about slow internet. Even in the dark, the built-in flashlight and USB-C charging keep the work going. Whether testing Cat5 to Cat6a or hunting down a dusty server closet, this tester saves time and frustration. It's smart enough to automatically identify cables, whether both ends are connected or not, and its cable length measurement, up to 200 meters, is fast and accurate. In short, less downtime, fewer headaches, and a lot more confidence when troubleshooting wired networks and fiber lines. Coming in number 4, KOLSOL Network Cable Tester. The KOLSOL Network Cable Tester packs serious punch in a compact frame. Built as a 4-in-1 tool, it combines a LAN cable tester, optical power meter, visual fault locator, and non-contact voltage detector, making it a one-stop shop for DIYers and network pros alike. No need to call in help or waste time guessing where a line failed. With support for Cat5 and Cat6, this tester checks POE's cable length and finds wiring faults fast. Its optical power meter covers 7 wavelengths from 850 nanometer to 650 nanometer, and the VFL pinpoints fiber issues using a bright 650 nanometer laser. It's a must-have when working across fiber, twisted pair, or PoE networks. The is straightforward. Plug in a cable, flip the switch, and follow the blinking LEDs as they map each pin's continuity. It's not a voltmeter or data speed tester, just a reliable go-no-go continuity checker. But for diagnosing bad terminations, wired cables, or verifying a crossover cable, it's the job done. Backed by solid reviews and proven tricky home and outdoor Cat7 runs, the KOLSOL is built for everyday use. Tough enough to trust, simple enough to love. Coming in number 3. Fluke Networks MT8200-49A. The Fluke Networks MT8200-49A micromapper keeps things simple but sharp, making it an easy favorite for anyone who builds or fixes networks without needing an advanced certification. Whether checking patch cables or chasing problems through in-wall wiring, this compact tester spots miswires, reversals, opens, and even the trickier split pairs that cheaper testers often miss. Powered by 4 AAA batteries, which might need replacing out of the box, it's ready to scan and light up any wiring mistake. Even novice users find it easy to simulate faults and watch the micromapper correctly diagnose them. A great hands-on way to learn networking basics. Beyond wiring tests, it also includes a tone generator. Paired with an analog probe sold separately, it helps trace hidden cables in walls or bundles. A must-have for church setups, home labs, or small business networks and lurk undetected. While the auto-scanning sequence may occasionally confuse, it's harmless once you figure out the power on order. For anyone troubleshooting basic Ethernet cabling, this tool earns its place in the toolkit. Clean, no drama. Coming in number 2. Klein Tools VDV501-852 Cable Tester. The Klein Tools VDV501-852 Cable Tester balances solid performance with real-world practicality. Built for voice, data, and video testing, it handles RJ11, RJ45, and coax connections with ease. Toy for home users checking one Ethernet jack, it's a serious tool for schools, offices, and buildings where dozens of LAN ports hide behind walls and patch panels. Its standout feature is the Test Plus Map remote system. Instead of test one run at a time, this kit includes 18 LAN and 18 coax remotes, letting users map an entire building's wiring in a single pass. No more back and forth guesswork. Add PoE voltage testing and a tone generator with optional probe, and you've got a kit that saves both your time and your knees, especially on multi-floor jobs. The cable length measurement reaches up to 2,000 feet, perfect for big installations. It's rugged enough for job sites, but user-friendly enough for volunteers helping out tight-budget public libraries. While it won't replace a premium Fluke for small business networks or volunteer techs, this tester pays for itself fast, straightforward, efficient, coming in number 1. Klein Tools 8072 RJ45 Cable Tester Kit. The Klein Tools 8072 RJ45 Cable Tester Kit is the kind of smart purchase that saves time, headaches, and bad connections. Built for Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a cables, this kit pairs a sharp Land Scout Junior 2 tester with a rugged all-in-one crimper, stripper, and cutter. It's the toolkit that makes network wiring actually feel manageable, not maddening. The backlit LCD screen on the tester displays pin-to-pin wire maps clearly, even in dim server closets. It catches opens, shorts, miswires, split pairs, and crossover faults. Everything that ruins your network speed. The pass-through connectors and crimper cut prep time in half, making it everything that ruins your network speed. The pass-through connectors and crimper cut prep time in half, making installs clean and fast. No more guessing if a connector is crimped right, just test and move on. While off-brand kits save a few bucks, they often cost far more in wasted time and bad crimps. This Klein kit feels solid, works right the first time, and even includes 50 pass-through connectors as a bonus. Whether installing a home access point or fixing flaky base equipment, it gets the job done right. For anyone who values their time and sanity, this is the kit to trust.